Hey there, my friend. Welcome to today's video. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder of the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project, and I'm pumped up to shoot this video for you and to share one of the most effective research-proven breathing techniques to lower your stress, reduce anxiety, improve your overall health, and it's called alternate nostril breathing. And I originally learned this breathing technique from a yogi named Sadhguru who runs the Isha Foundation. And I started practicing it every single day for 5 minutes, and it truly changed my life. So I want to share it with you. Now, alternate nostril breathing, it's essentially the practice of breathing in a U shape. So we're going to plug one nostril. We're going to breathe up through this left nostril here. We're going to plug the left, breathe out the right, breathe in the right, breathe out the left, and repeat. So we're breathing in one nostril. The nostril that we just breathed in, we're going to plug it. We're going to breathe out the other one. And we're going to breathe in the right nostril, and we're going to plug the left nostril. So we have this U shape going on right now. So why is this so effective? Well, most people don't realize that every single time throughout the day, we have one dominant nostril that is actually getting more airflow, and we're breathing more through one of the two nostrils. And what alternate nostril breathing does is actually brings balance between these nostrils. And after you practice for 5 minutes, you'll be able to feel this. You start this breathing, you can breathe out on your hand through your nose, and you're going to be able to tell which of your nostrils is a little more dominant. And after this, you're going to add balance and harmony, and airflow is going to be even between these. And what the research actually shows is this improves PARASYMPATHETIC, which is your rest and digest branch of your nervous system, parasympathetic tone throughout the body. It really calms the mind down, and it's so simple. All it requires you is sitting here 5 minutes and breathing. So I showed you with two hands. We're actually going to be doing this with one hand. So I'm going to do a couple cycles, and you're going to watch me do this. And my challenge is for you to try this for 5 minutes right after this video. That you're going to pause this and go through this breathing and try this yourself as an experimentation. Rate yourself in terms of how peaceful, calm, and focused you feel before and after this. So here's how it looks like. We're going to use one hand, and we're going to be using the thumb and the ring finger right here to do the plugging. So hand is like this, it's going to be in front of my face, but you know I'm going to be breathing like through a U just like this. So start out by plugging my right nostril, breathing in through my left. And repeat. So I'm using these two fingers to make small movements, very gentle small movements, just to open and close those different nostrils. So again, closing one nostril, breathing in, closing that nostril, breathing out, breathing in, close, breathe out. We do this U shape, back and forward. It might take a little bit of coordination the first time you do it, but you're going to find it is incredibly beneficial. And so as you're breathing, basically you're just observing the breath. You're not really trying to control the breath. You're just watching it come in through one nostril, experiencing the sensations as the breath is coming through, and breathing out the other side. You're not trying to take massive inhales like this. And what I also find is very important before you start this practice is to blow your nose a little bit. Make sure you don't have a lot of mucus in your nostrils so you can breathe evenly. I was sick a couple months ago throughout December, and it was very challenging with mucus in my nostrils to do the alternate nostril breathing. So if you can blow your nose beforehand, it's going to make this practice very effective. And this is something you do multiple times per day, 3 times a day for 5 minutes. You're going to find massive benefits to how peaceful and centered you are. And you can sit in any kind of posture. You can sit in a straight back chair like I am here. You can sit in a classic meditation posture with your legs crossed in any fashion that you like. You could probably even do it standing. I do recommend that you do close your eyes because it helps you just be more present with as the breath is moving in and out. And this is something that is truly, truly effective. The research is amazing on this, but outside of the research, this is something that has been used in yogic practices for so many years to bring harmony to the body because the breath is so connected to the quality of our mind. If you hold your breath, we feel anxious, and when we're breathing very shallow when we're stressed, and vice versa. When we start to have these more conscious breaths and we're adding more balance between the two nostrils, you're going to find that the mind automatically calms down and comes back to this center point that we will call focus and presence. And that's really where we feel our best. So go forth and try this, and please do it. And comment below, 3 to 5 minutes. Let me know what your experience was like. And again, using one hand, I use my right hand. these two fingers, plugging the nostrils back and forth just like this, breathing in the U. It's as simple as that. And I think you're gonna find a lot of fruit to this practice if you stay consistent. So the way I do it is I do it first thing in the morning after I get up for at least 5 minutes, and I find that it kickstarts my day super well. So God bless you and your family. These techniques are very important and very effective, so I hope you try this and report back in the comment section below if this helped you, and give us a thumbs up after you try this as well, or if you found this video useful, and it really helps our channel, and we'd love to have you as my friend. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We have tons of health and fitness content, not just on breathing, but on nutrition, at-home workouts, how to get and stay healthy for both yourself and your family. We're the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. This is what we do. God bless you and your family, my friend. Thank you for being here. We'll see you on the channel. Can't wait to hear about your alternate nostril breathing session, and I'll talk to you very soon.
FitFatherProject.com